Today, we'll be making these flat hanging birds out of clay. In front of you, you'll see a mat, a slab of clay, and a bunch of tools including a stick, a toothbrush, some wet clay called slip, and a tracer. You'll start with the sharp part of the stick and lightly trace this bird shape. Then you'll use it again and push harder to make sure it goes all the way through. Pull that extra clay off, and now you're going to dip your fingers in this wet clay, which again is called slip. It's kind of like clay glue, and smooth out all those edges. Next up, let's give this bird an eye. You can give them one eye or two of them. Start by making a ball, and then here's the thing. If you just put clay right onto the surface, it looks like it's going to stick, but it doesn't. There's a special way that we have to attach clay. It's called the 4 S's: slip, score, stick, and smooth. Here, I'm using a toothbrush to add some clay, slip, score, stick, and smooth. And then I like to use the top of a pencil to make a hole in the middle. You can decide how many eyes look good to you. Now let's make the wing. Basically, you make another ball, squish it into a pancake, and then you can cut it in half or use the whole thing. This can be your wing, but remember, do you just stick it right on? Nope. You need to add some slip, score it with the toothbrush, stick it down, and smooth. Make sure these two pieces become one piece. The next is optional. You can decide to use this extra clay and make 1 or 2 or even more tail feathers. Just make sure you use that slip, smooth it down, and make sure they're not too skinny. Anything really skinny with clay can break. So make sure they're at least as thick as your finger. Now let's make the beak. The beak is another little ball that you squish into a pancake and squeeze until it's nice and pointy. You can attach that the same as we've attached everything else, making sure those pieces are really well joined. Now it's time to be creative. Is your bird someone with a hat, a bow? Is it holding something in its wing? Does it have a mohawk? Is it a chicken? Is it a songbird? Last, add texture. Texture means things like feathers. You can make lines, dots, decorations. A marker top is a great tool for making lots of circle patterns. Just don't push too deep. Oops. Or you'll have a giant hole in your bird. The great thing about clay is you can make mistakes, squish it, and try again. When you are done with your piece, you're going to write your name on a little piece of paper, bring it to the drying area, put away your extra clay, and wash up using our bucket. Next week, we'll paint them, hang them, and add some feet.